Okay, today we're going to talk about domain and range. Okay, should be a pretty short, easy day. So domain and range, we're going to get there in terms of a graph. Okay, you know we all have this graph right here. Okay, we have like x and y. If it's at a coordinate, we say 2, 1. Okay, and you guys don't need to write this down. If it's at 2, 1, the domain is going to be 2. And the range would be 1, okay? The domain is always the x values. And then the range is the y values. Okay, so all we have to do, and you guys are like, oh, this is really easy, okay? The only important thing to take away is if there's like, if this is 0 and then there's another 0, you only write it down once. Okay, not twice. You only write it down once. So the domain, and you can just write D. This is your answer. The domain is going to be all the x values. So you're going to say -5, comma, -1, comma, 0, comma, 6, comma, 7.
Oh, and this is where you can't put like the two numbers?
Yep. So and then when we look at the range, our range is all the y values.
-4 and 3 and 4.
-4, 3, and 4. We don't write it down twice.
Oh, no, I do this now.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Okay? And that's it. We're done with this one. Okay? It's nothing like too hard. The main takeaway from today is you need to know that the domain goes with the x's, the range goes with the y's. Can I scroll?
Yeah.
No? Okay. You good? That's fine. I would rather you tell me. Okay, so we look at this. What's the domain for 3?
-7, -5, -4, and -1 and 4. And for the
The range. Miss Wright, what's the range?
no. What?
Good. Okay, make sure you don't write that -7 down twice.
I thought we can't just put this well, sure.
Okay, 5. Erica, what's the domain?
7.
Try again, Erica.
Bruh.
Erica, what's the domain?
Oh, it's the R.
Erica.
That's what he told me, bro.
It's all
Don't
of
say I'm
them.
stupid.
It's all of them.
It's always the same people. I
Bro, all the
swear.
numbers I got you. 7, 6, 4, 3, 5.
Okay, negatives, but yeah.
Oh, this Mexican people. I swear.
My camera's on.
Alright, that camera turned it off.
Okay, Jermaine, what's the range?
4, 6, 3, -5, -4.
There's more.
Good. We good? Can I scroll?
Yeah.
Okay, flip it over. Okay, Jesus, what's the domain?
Domain is all of them.
Nah.
-7, -5, -2, 1, 5.
Jed, what's the range?
-2, 4, -6, 6 and 4.
Something wrong with this. What's wrong?
Yeah, the 4, yeah.
Yep, so we can't repeat the 4. Okay? It's okay.
It's okay, people learn slow.
Don't do that.
Bruh, can't have fun in here, I swear.
Not in the beginning. Like, you've been in here, so, like, eventually when you guys know each other, haha,
I do
joke's
know
funny, but you've never been in my room.
We know him.
We know him.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
I've seen,
That's
like,
not
the
right.
keyboard.
Because then people get embarrassed to speak out.
No. Bro, I've been.
So don't do that. Okay,
It's
well,
money
when I
man.
learn him, then you can do it, but for now,
It's
no.
money man on money. I know it's like pre-K.
I don't care.
She hated on me with it.
Faith, what's the domain?
-6, 0, 1, and 2.
Good,
Good job.
there you go. Timmy, what's the range? Good. You guys doing okay? Yes? No?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, look at number 11. These are the same. They want us to find the domain and range. How are coordinates written?
The X and Y? What you mean?
X, comma, Y. Okay, so a coordinate is written like this. X, comma, Y. Okay, so anything in the X spot is going to be domain or range?
Domain.
Domain. Okay, so our domain, and look up here, is going to be -5, 0. We don't need the 0 again. 3
and
and 6.
It's easy too.
It is.
But what I'm saying, because other people might struggle with it.
Yep. You think that you're trying to make fun of me, but it's not. It's not working.
I was tired.
Okay, the range. It's going to be -4.
1, -7, and 2.
Good. I almost wrote down that 4 twice.
Man, people like hear that stuff. So that's what we gotta be careful about the problem. And then D, -6, -4, -2, and 1.
-6, -4, -2. No! You did it wrong.
What you talking about? And then you don't put the 0.
Yes, you do put the 0.
I just said 0 and 1.
No, you didn't.
Yes, did I just said the whole thing, man?
Oh,
She's
no.
trying to blame me for the cameras, I swear.
Okay, the range.
-4, -6, -3, 4, and that's all.
Good.
Do we have to put the D and the R beside it, or you know it?
No, you need to put the D in the R.
Alright, I'm doing that. Make sure. You can't believe it, I got smart.
We got -7, -4, 0, 4.
0, 1,
Sheesh.
Good job, honey.
Good job. Oh yeah, can Ari been in? I mean,
New York.
Ari been in here. I forgot.
Mm-hmm. Most of you guys have. I think just those two are the only ones.
But yeah, I'm just gonna start writing Ari because I be forgetting her name.
-4, 0, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, -5.
1, -3, -5. Good. Min, what's the range on 19? Or domain, sorry, domain.
7, -4. 6.
Domain.
Oh, -3.
Good?
-1. 0. 6 and 7.
Good. I said range at first and I changed my mind. Okay, Jesus, let's finish this up.
The R is 7, -4, 6, 1.
Good. Okay, what's the domain belong to? X's or Y's?
X,
Range?
Y.
A Y. Good. Okay. Tomorrow, I don't know what's on the schedule yet, but it should be something similar. Okay.